everyone, my name is Safik from Tenet Technetronics. Today I will be giving you an introduction to the new powerful development board Radxa Rock. Now let us see the hardware features of this Radxa Rock board. So this comes with a quad-core ARM Cortex-A9 processor which runs at a speed of 1.6 GHz and as low as 324 MHz. So this is one of the hot selling cakes because it is very impressive place when it comes to power. So now let us see what are the physical features of this board. So this comes with an inbuilt Bluetooth connector and it also has a Wi-Fi connector. So you can see here with this antenna you can connect the Wi-Fi connector here, and it does have an Ethernet cable, Ethernet port, so 10 by 100, and it has an HDMI port. Then we have the SPDIF port. Then here we have the AV out and we do have the power cable. So this is how we connect the power cable from this green pin. So this is a port which can be connected from the power jack to the USB. So this can be powered by a laptop or it can be powered by a desktop. Now let's see the other side of the board. So here we have the on-off connector. So here you can see. Then we have the USB OTG connector. Then we have an inbuilt IR sensor, which is one of the best features of this board. So with this you can boot or you can expand the memory up to 128 GB, or it can be also be used to boot the board. So here we have two USB ports to connect to any external USB connectors, or if you want to connect even more you can use an USB hub. So this side we have the reset pin and here we have the recovery pin. And it also does have 80 GPIO pins, which includes GPIO, I2C, SPI, UART and ADC, and it does have LCD. So these are the physical features of this Radxa board. So this also has a memory of 2 GB DDR at 800 MHz. It has a storage of 8 GB flash memory with an expanded memory of 128 GB. So this board, there is also another board which has a similar feature. So that is also called Radxa Rock Lite. So that has a memory of just 1 GB DDR and a 4 GB flash memory, and this has 2 GB DDR and a flash memory of 8 GB. So when we boot the board, it boots up with an Android OS and it does have also a Linux built in. So once we boot it, when we want to switch it, we can switch from an Android to a Linux. So one of the best features is that it has a dual boot. So there is an application, once we boot, we can switch on from an Android OS system and to the Linux. So this can be also used for many different applications. It can be used for industrial automation, it can be also used for robotics, or it can be also used for image processing. Now let us see a demonstration of the booting of this Radxa board. us see the booting demonstration of the Radxa rock board. So now I'll be just connecting the USB port for the power connector for the power required for this Radxa board. So I've just powered it, and that's the board, and it should boot now. So it will be defaultly booting into the Android OS. So now you can see this Android which is getting booted now. Android OS. This is an Android Jelly Bean version that we are seeing here. So now we see the home screen of this Android Jelly Bean operating system. So here you can see how the Android OS works, how it looks. Okay, so now we come to the home screen. So now again we'll just go. Okay. Now we'll see if the Wi-Fi is working in this Android OS. So we just go to settings. So here you see the Wi-Fi. So we just enable it. So it just detects whatever Wi-Fi is available in this campus. So here you can see that Tenet sales. This is the Wi-Fi that is available in this campus, and it gets so these are the Wi-Fi overs available. Okay, so now come back to the home screen. Okay, now so just let's see. This is, I earlier said that it is a dual boot Radxa board. So we just try to flip into the different OS that is called Linux. So here there is an application, built-in application which has called boot Ubuntu. So it just flips to the different OS that is called the boot Ubuntu or Linux. So we just click here, and here you can see reboot to Ubuntu. So I just click OK. So now it is rebooting to the Linux. So a simple application, just click on that application and just reboots to the Linux OS. So here you can see it is booting to Linux operating system now. Desktop of the Linux. Now here this is the Linux operating OS system. So if you want to switch back again to the Android, so we just need to click Alt F2. Okay. So here we just press B2. So once you just type in B2, you get an option called B2 Android. So we just click on it and we just click OK. So if we click OK, it just flips back to the Android operating OS. So we just click. So here you can see it is rebooting to Android. So in this way we can flip the OS from Android to Linux and from Linux to Android. A simple application, just click on it and just flips between two operating systems. So it's asking whether you want to reboot it. Yes, just click on OK. So it has rebooted back from the Linux operating system to the Android operating system. Thank you for watching this video. For more details, you can log on to www.tenettech.com or you can drop a mail to info@tenettech.com. Thank you.